Hi guys, welcome back to Val's Kitchen. Today on the menu, guess what? Sorrel cake, sorrel fruit cake, guys. The fruit cake video, guys, that was a bomb. You all loved it, and I saw the comments, and I really appreciate that, right? So today I'm gonna do the sorrel, right? It's gonna come out nice same way. You understand? So, guys, months I've been on YouTube for about 4 months, going 5 months now, and I cannot remember to tell you all to follow me on Instagram. Please, guys, go up to my Instagram page at Val's Kitchen Jamaican Style. I'm going to leave the link, right? So you just can go over there and just follow me. All right? Do that for my birthday, please. Birthday coming up the 28th of December, next week Monday, so do that for me. All right, so come now, let me show you now how I'm gonna do my sorrel fruit cake. All right, so guys, here I have everything that I'll be using, all my ingredients that I'll be putting in my sorrel fruit cake. All right, here's the sorrel that I boil it, right? I'll just put it in some rum and wine, same with the soak. Right, so I'm gonna blend it and show you all how I get the puree. All right, the sorrel puree. So these are the fruits that I'll blend into. All right, that's soaked already. Right, yes. 1.5 cup of sugar. All right, I have 2.5 cups of flour. Any flour, right? Yeah. I have 10 eggs. I have some room temperature butter. All right, this is a pound of butter. All right. Rose water, vanilla, all right. I have cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, mixed spice, 1 tablespoon of mixed spice, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, all right. I have some lemon zest and some lemon juice, all right. A pinch of salt, less than half teaspoon of salt. I soak my sorrel with the red label wine and the white overproof rum. All right, yeah. So come now, let me just get this together. So now I'm not gonna use all this juice, right? Just some, because we don't want the puree to be too liquidy. We don't have too much liquid. All right, so one and a half cup of sugar, using a pound of butter, room temperature butter. All right. This is lemon zest with the lemon juice, guys. All right. So I'm putting together now the dry ingredients, guys. Alright. This is a tablespoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of nutmeg, a tablespoon of mixed spice, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. The salt must be the least, always. Alright? Guys, sieve your flour. So your dough, whatever you're baking or you're frying, you're frying a dumpling or so, you get it nice and airy. Your cake, you can get your cake nice and airy and moist, You know what I'm doing there. Alright? Let me just put in the flour a small amount at a time. Wow. Stir in a circle and come in the middle. Stir around in a circle and come in the middle. Stir in the circle and come in the middle. They call it cut and fold. The reason for that, you get out all the lumps. Wow. You get out all the lumps. Alright, so the next ingredients I'm going to put in now is vanilla. Let's put in vanilla to taste, about 4 tablespoons or more, and some rose water, tablespoon of rose water. Alright, so the smell already, man. Smells so nice. I know who sit down and wait for the bowl, guys. When I empty the bowl, Jaden want the bowl to lick it. Alright. See? Tastes real nice. The only thing I'm gonna put in now is just some more rum. I have a little, about a small amount of white rum. And some more red label wine. Tastes real nice. Real good. Tastes good. I don't want the cake too sweet neither, guys. Cut down on the amount of sugar. you know. Fluffy already. Guys, and you can put the egg. You can put the egg before your fruits, or you can put the egg after your fruits. Just make sure you have the right amount of ingredients. Alright? Alright. Oh my god. So nice. More. See? The spoon stand up firm. Alright? So I'm gonna put it in the tin now, guys. Grease the tin. It's a non-stick baking tin though, so you don't want any flour, you don't want flour in it. So just a little butter, because I don't have any the spray, the spray, the baking spray. If I have the baking spray, I'm gonna spray it, but I'm just gonna use the butter to grease it a little. All right. I'm gonna put it in now, guys, in the oven for 40 minutes first. After 40 minutes, I'm gonna check in, right? Yes, guys. So what I'm gonna be doing now is just make them stay and cool before I cut it and see the result, the final result. Alright? What I want to tell you all, when you see the sorrel fruit cake them and the YouTube, them look so red and it's bright red. But guess what we find out? Yes, they put coloring to make it have that red color, because once you put the fruits and the wine, it's not gonna have that red color. You have to put the fruit color, but I didn't put any fruit color in my sorrel cake, guys, so you're not gonna see that bright red color. All right, but the taste is there, the moisture is there, everything is there, so we not have no problem. Just the color. All right, yes, guys. So remember, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, turn on the post notification bell, and guys, please remember to go over to Val's Kitchen and the Instagram and subscribe and follow me. I'm gonna leave a link. You can just click the link and go over and follow me on Instagram, guys. So thanks for watching and bye. Wow, yes, perfect. All right, so let me show you all now. All right, moist. You just don't have the bright red color, right? But it's moist, it's nice. Let me taste it. Yeah. Perfect, guys. Perfect.